Hi everybody, it's Jen with Caketastic Cakes, and I'm going to show you a short little video today on how to make a nice buttercream cake, a real basic one, like a perfect place to start. Stick decorations on it, you can go from there. And if you see me use any tools or supplies that you can use, check the link in the description below, it'll help you out. So this is just, again, a simple little one-tiered cake, nothing special, and if you are looking for a buttercream cake, that isn't too involved, this could be a good place to start for you. Now I've crumb coated my cake. I've tried to make it as neat as possible, and I'm going to stick it in the fridge for a little bit. Once it comes out, I've got more of my white icing, and I'm going to use some blue icing too. I just had a nice shade of blue. This was actually supposed to be another cake. It was supposed to be a soccer themed cake that I did end up redoing. But I did it in the wrong color blue, so I had to scrape it all off. But I was like, you know what, this is still a nice cake, so I'm going to share it. It can go into many different directions. Stick a decoration on the side, put something on the top, whatever you want. Okay, so I put a thick layer of white icing on the top part of the cake, the top half, and now I'm adding that blue to the bottom. I am not worrying about it being nice and even. I don't care because this is just going to be a kind of whatever cake. It's not going to be perfect. It's just going to be pretty. So once I have a nice thick layer on the top and the bottom there, I'm going to then smooth and scrape it. And as I'm scraping, I'm really like pressing hard into the cake because I want it to all smear and blend. Once I'm happy with the sides, and you can kind of see like there's a little bit of patches of hazy blue where the white and the blue mix together a little bit too much. Don't worry about it. This is the nice part of this is that you can just cover it. I'm going with texture on the bottom. So I've got a little bit of the blue icing on my spatula, on the back of my spatula. And you see that where it's kind of hazy there and blended together a bit? I just put some extra icing on there and just pat, 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 and it makes it real rough and textured, and it's actually very pretty. It's hard to see in this video too well, but trust me, it came out, it was very pretty. It really was, I swear. Now, as far as the top goes, I'm using a wide star tip or a real big open star tip. It's a French star tip. And I'm just making my little duty dollops, my little poo emojis all around the top of the cake. I'm going to fill the whole entire thing in. Again, you don't have to do this. You could just put some, any type of border of icing around the top. But I went all in and decided to fill it up. And there's my dog peeking at it because he loves cake. He can't have any of this though. Anyway, okay, I'm using a smaller French star tip or French tip at the bottom, just giving it a border, a simple border, and that's going to be pretty much it. Just take your time, try to make it nice and even, go all the way around. And for a last final little touch, I'm going to add some sprinkles to the top. I had some blue sprinkles, and so sprinkle them around, and boom, that's it. So as far as nice simple cakes go, this is a very easy way to start, and it looks nice. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe because it helps me out as well. Be sure to check out my other videos. I got a ton of them out there, and as always, thanks for watching Caketastic Cakes.